this is probably one of the most random video ideas I could have possibly came up with, but I really needed one and I could not think of a video idea. So just a little bit of backstory. Ever since I started PC gaming, I've always had a mechanical keyboard. I mean, I had a membrane keyboard for like a few, like a month. I had it for like a month, and then I got a mechanical one. My first mechanical keyboard was the Razer Black Widow, I believe. And since then, okay, well, so I have a pre-built PC, if you guys don't know that. So a keyboard came with it, and that's what I'm using right now because I don't have my first membrane keyboard that I bought. But okay, what's this guy doing? But yeah, also it's a 100% keyboard, and now that I got a Ducky 1.2 mini, I'm so used to 60% that a full a full keyboard just feels wrong. Like I don't know. But it actually, I doubt, okay, that was kind of cool. I doubt you guys can hear the keyboard because it's membrane and it doesn't have switches. What is this guy doing? But yeah. Alright. Just, I don't like membrane keyboards. How did I get that hit? But I don't like membrane keyboards. I'm trying to think of stuff to say about membrane keyboards. I can't hit this guy. It's just, I don't know, it just, I just don't like the feel, like, they don't have switches. They have membrane switches, but I just like the feel of, like, the Cherry MX Blue switches, like the tactile, bumpy, clicky. This doesn't have any of that. It just, but in a strange, weird way, it feels kind of good. Like, it's not such an idiot. Like, it's not a bad keyboard. It's just like, it's just different. It's just, I'm not really used to it. I mean, actually, I'm not gonna lie, it is a pretty bad keyboard. I don't even know, it probably retails for like 50 cents. Actually, I don't know. I don't know how much CyberPower keyboards are. This regular, did he fall? Alright, that's fine. So yeah, just a random video idea. It is currently 1:20 in the morning, as you can tell. And what am I doing? I'm recording a video. So, I mean, because why not, right? I'm so confused, dude. This blue guy, we need to get, I hope green kills, oh no, he fell. That's fine. We can get at the bed, but we're not going to be able to kill him anytime soon. Dude, he builds so high. Oh, he's gonna fireball me. I didn't actually think that was gonna hit me. Okay. I will be astonished. Okay, so you might be able to hear me bridging, or like spacebar maybe, because those ones are really loud. But if you hear me like WASD and stuff, that's just surprising. How am I gonna get down from here? I have 2 ladders. Why? Why? Why did I just buy 48 ladders, dude? I'm dying right now. Also, I just realized that on this texture pack, the tools don't even have a texture. Why am I playing? Why does this texture pack have no textured tools? Who knows, right? Oh, why did I even try doing that? Oh, pink stalls are bed. Alright, I've been getting ladder clutching down, dude. I don't know. I don't know where I was going with that, but Like, my ladder clutching has just been on point. I've also been block clutching a lot more than I usually do, which is surprising. Also, I changed my video settings. I changed... See, look, block clutch, because I'm just that MF good, you know? Uh-oh. Why didn't I try to ladder clutch? Because I'm bad. After I just said I was that good. Okay, what am I to do here? Let's go ahead and... We don't have enough to get a gap. Oh my gosh, there's so much wool. I hate having other teams' wool in my inventory. It doesn't make sense. Alright. Grab some more blocks. Grab a gap. Even though by the time I got a gap, I'm already practically full health. Alright. I need to get this guy ASAP. Oh no, blue's going to my bed. Okay. Yeah, I've been learning how to... Okay, that was unnecessary. I've been learning how to, like, or ladder clutch on singular blocks, because I typically don't do them on singular blocks. I just do them on, one blocks. Okay, I overpower this guy. And he killed himself. Honestly, 100% should have got the final credit for that. But it's okay. It's whatever. It's Hypixel. What are you going to do about it? Okay, I don't know what my plan was there. God, I hate slabs. Okay, I'm a bot, dude. Why did I... I don't know. Guys, is it weird that I actually kind of enjoy playing with this keyboard? Like, I don't enjoy it. Like, I don't know if I continue playing with it just because I just love my Ducky too much. Like, I just love the clicky kind of feel. But I just like... This keyboard just has, like, a vibe to it, if that makes any sense. You guys know, like, when something just has, like, a vibe? Yeah, that's what I feel whenever I look at this keyboard. Alright, we're gonna get, like, a little bit stacked here, so this blue guy, because he has a ton of M's. Or he might only have 8, and he's probably gonna die. I just realized it's the blue guy, the guy who bridged up extremely high. Okay. We need to come quick because I don't want this to be a super long video. And if we don't win, that's just embarrassing. Okay. Where'd he go, first of all? That's the main important thing. I'm assuming he went this way. Yep. Just gotta follow his tracks. So he didn't buy diamond armor, which means he has a punch bow. KB stick, KB stick. GG. That was actually pretty nice. Well, GG again. He bought a punch bow. It didn't serve him any good.